Hey, what up, we back here again, episode number 4. Still me, your boy, Mhlango CN Van, intwana yami.
Fe wama 2000 bafethu kusefanda intwana yami manje alunja yikho yabona, so siyabe siphusha lento two men
drive.
C3 the
anonymous ghost. Angazi nje ivoice yakho ufuna bezwe.
Awulanda ivoice elanda. Bese ngesibizo bengaleyayo engawazi nombani.
What if ngabhayiza mid episode nje ngikhuluma ibizo lakho nje.
Delete le video.
So coming up ngama young Africa Young Africa Awards yini
ama nominees
inja amawaslawana
aminizo la kodwa ama Africa Hip Hop Awards.
Yeah, Africa Hip Hop Awards to kenje intwana yethu Clive is nominated. Clive. So Clive dog is an amazing producer dog. Producer abantu abanjabo Mangena, Flimfo. Lo DMP Rock. You remember DMP Rock we slide the other day? Yeah. The DMP Rock he producer yakhe Clive. So what do you think ube deserve ukuthi ebe khona like uma nominations khona apha ePlawayo? Because I think ePiwa ombona uClive phela nje or wanje. What do you think so ube deserve to recognize because the Ladam Awards a continent, ne? Is it the whole of Africa? Yeah.
Whole of Africa. Small uthebona ama ngathina ama artist Clive ni producer. Uthi ama producer amaningi yabona. Yena ani Clive ngoBYO yabo. Lapha so nje uthi wena lokhuza uClive udlulela labana beH.
No, I'm probably ukhona eH just that match nasilanda balawo.
Oh,
okay. Lapha I'm talking about SF Africa, uDMP Rocky, uBig Rossi, ngubani umunye umzo7, abo Giftos and the likes. Why bona being nominated? Why do you think bona they didn't deserve ukuthi bebe under that? Yabo?
Nabona ngani indlela abamarketa ngayo. Yabona uClive yamarketa imusic yakhe yabo. Like indlela vele ngathi ODMP yaswi bayenza kahle sibili bagood bonke oBig Rossi yomzo7 baribona ngani uClive ukumarketa to strategy so marketing strategy yabo.
So la goes ucabanga ukuthi it's a marketing thing. Lama connections. Yeah, we're talking about uClive. I mean I think uClive lama connection are serious. Because last year he recently won an award and even I didn't know him. Kodwa ngambona sewini award top best what Nzima.
Best producer.
Nzima.
Cabanga Nzima uyabona ngamcafa.
And mina bengamcafa. Yabo.
Wanibona njani sihlalele uClive?
Sihlalele uClive. Clive yini shona nje.
Awonke vele yakhuluma ngoba.
Yakuma kodwa nilishona.
Angikwazi.
Hayi ndoda sikho la.
Oh, okay. So on other news talk, Kwela initiative. So let me read this though. Sizoyifaka la isithombeni. Kwela initiative. Artist call out. We are inviting Bulawayo based hip hop artists, producers and managers between the ages of 18 and 35 for an exciting opportunity to be part of a 5-day long artist development program that will culminate into a compilation album and performance concert featuring Bulawayo's prominent artists. So basically, I think it's a nice initiative. And? But why the age is 18 to 35? 35 years ulokhu ungeka blow up. Do you think uza blow up?
Blow up usuzakuba.
Hayi, na 35 years I'm sure ulo mntwana une 10 years. And ubhizi uzazama ukurapa.
Ikoko.
35 years kwamele usuquit age. I think if you want to be a rapper ni it's between the ages of 16 to 23. After 23 chana lapho. Docabanga.
Kodwa lo opinions.
Uqala age yakho ungakayi.
Shi. 23 years.
25 ube 26.
26 nje kwamele usenza something la productive in life eh.
Ubone shayisa.
So
kwele initiative bro.
Akula ncedo.
Imagine bro like
have you ever done this before?
Bro. They're still looking forward. Uyaziwa ngabantu dog. Those people like since nini bro ehlabe. Besenza lo logo ama artist call out.
If they ever done it before though.
Bakhona lapha lazo siyaposta on Instagram.
Oh. So how to be a part of it, guys? Send us a WhatsApp message, fill in the Google form by scanning the QR code in the poster. So if I post, you want full government name, age, stage, artist name, artist bio, link to your music, artistic work, social media handles, 100-word write-up of how you think hip-hop music can be used as a tool for conflict transformation in your immediate community. She number 7 lo she na manje ayimzwisisi she. She thought you should add a 100-word write-up of how you think hip-hop music can be used as a tool for conflict transformation in your immediate community.
Now uyahlabela ingoma phela uplifted young artists
Tukumbani.
abantwana abakhulayo lapha eGasi bro and they don't have a direction. Bachayenzani bro? Ihlala ibhura.
Abala direction.
Uyangapi bro? Bathi wena ungahlabela music yakho engcingo siyalalela khona it this nigga say this nigga say
Nesigenzi sense nje hayi abayimamile abantu.
Live.
La mamelo track.
Days abantu
Track lo J Cole. J Cole next sense. Hayi, 24. Awula muntu ofuna uzitshela ingqondo. Just talk about bitches and all that.
but obvious those things that you get the people's attention balawiza bakhona ingoma eyi-1 uzayifaka phelele ngani lesense.
Okay, so
after 20 years.
so basically this Kwela initiative nyama artists that are already artists.
No, it's like bathi umuntu ongofuni to be seen by people kabuye la angithola.
Yeah, but kwamele ube le catalog. With no catalog or
Again. But I mean like catalog singakwanisi ukungena khona. But you discover ukuthi abantu abanjengo SF Africa labantu labo mso7 bakhona lawo khona they're still looking for composure. Angithola. So this thing bro is more like a scam like
Scam.
scam.
But ngiyambona ansizwi especially
For wena phela ongakabe le
for artist lana engakabile ngathi ungakazani labantu.
Let's look at this bro. Zangakhulunywa vele ukuthi kule prize or award or
no, but they are compiling an album.
Album yakho nazenzani imali izaphuma khona. Obviously just something to get your views but actually imali.
Not your views, but nama views.
Wazadla imali yama views bebo. Wena nto uzapromote hayi abantu bazathi engoma ngiyakho but uzadla imali yama views ngoba ikhwele initiative.
Okay, but then on the other end, I mean I understand them because it helps with the exposure. Uzoba exposed.
Lawo ngathatha ispeaker sakho hambe ema-visa lafana nje ispeaker sakho esilesound sichaya ama-track akho exposure abala. Abantu sebengagcwala futhi bekulalisa. Lawo sponsor la
probability ngathi
la futhi
probability yakhona ngathi 1/5. 1.
Wona yabo kambe noma shows la.
Macrosa like abantu ngathi abantu vele abasupport ama-local artists at least local lokhu kuzahamba abantu abaningi yabo ama-artists ahlangana
maphela initiative.
Is this ngiyoqala or this
Yamo bro sokulawa many years ngenzakala.
akubhalwa lapha nje.
It's over 10 years. It's
Over
not
10 years.
Over 5.
So akupha ama-artists aba initiate.
and anyone can go.
Shuthi shandisilela span kahle kahle.
Enongananzelela amabhizi awo phela wafika 1K kube 2K.
So laba ababafakileyo ukuflya laba ngobani la?
Asibawazi thina. Maybe ngabanika zecompany.
Company, like
Yeah,
it's a
it's a
big
company.
company.
No, but mina I support what they are doing. But ngikuthandi county people they do ama artists of high ends into zalezi then kuyaphelela ngaphana. Yabo.
Abamshiyele imali ukuthenga isigqoko la. Yahambe ethenga iskipa nje.
And at least we go for $30 ungene ku HNS la ubona iplan.
Thenga isicathulo siyi-1.
To I want us to talk about No Yips. You know No Yips.
Yeah,
Do you like into abayenza?
where's that?
Baza.
They
They try.
Le ntwana yami kuthiwa nguLeonas.
Yeah.
SF futhi alukhona yena kuno Yips.
No SF.
Last year they had a show 30 November.
How SF imdala kangaka.
Show imagine.
Asho SF la yafuza. Hayi.
Zama ngazo zonke indlela.
Hayi SF yafuza.
Kunini zopopa.
Je No Yips iche kugcwele ama 2006 7.
Imagine.
SF ka 98. Anga 91.
That's what. What a fun night.
I don't know, it's probably clocking 14.
I thought
SF dala she. SF now was in primary when I heard about him.
It's probably in his early 30s. 34, 35.
Yeah.
34, 35, 36.
Shuthi my company.
Do you know No Yips?
No, angicathi.
So No Yips is like a crew, yeah? It's a crew of amachita, is push hip-hop, cultures, and some shows. Like they're really good, dog. Like, but they following blind, like following like massive, dog. I've never seen you following in child, dog. Like mind-blowing. Mind-blowing, dog.
But they have platform, but their music doesn't really go anywhere.
But their music, I've never heard their music.
Ngizwa la mbeki
But-
ngibazi. Yabo?
But bona they are really out there. But I've never heard the music as well. Kulumchito Town Black Forever and that crew. He's good. I know he's a dope rapper. But I want much tell are always talking about so release. Then they don't release. Yeah, it's something like that. Then who's there? I feel I've never heard a song come out of No Yips, eh? It's just
I remember I'm talking Leonas. Last year I was the show. Probably about 100 people were fire. But when I'm getting I'm getting on my
Ngiyabona ngingafuna
So-
abantu hip-hop.
ama-shows abo shekani. Ama-shows abo, they're always packed. Ama-shows abo, they're always
mostly
packed.
people bangena company ngacheka kuma-list abala QR codex kana le nebe ngathengani ticket ebengena imali. The first people bangena nge-first hour ababhadala imali.
No,
Saba ngabantu abayi-3.
So lapho engizama ukusho ne ukuthi I appreciate what they're doing, ne? And like ngiyawasupporta dog, I even follow them everywhere. But where is the music?
Asiyizwa
Because there's no music. Lesibiza kuma-show every day manje basithengisa ama-mask ithiwa mask what
masquerade
Masquerade.
leyana.
we're busy buying mask but there's no music.
Afakarela kuma-show bayabe perform music ongayazi wena.
Nje angiyazi music
Zama
yabo.
ngiyazi leyana.
So like singathi vele kuma-show akhona kuyabe kudayiwe because music asiyizwa uza perform ingoma engayaziwa ngabantu
Yafana
abasozivayi.
nje.
Yabo?
Yafana nentwana leyana uDelby leyana. Nale check leyana uthi uMamuzi.
Sure.
Wona yafika lapha nizihlabela uze uMamuzi lwana. Uthi uMamuzi lwana ukhethi. La uhlabele isikhathi sona lesiyana
Sweet.
But after that show remember samazi lengoma yankona
Nje but talking about TMP
Two.
talking about TMP
Sure.
Joe TMP that you have to show she wants nje i-track uMamuzi blind
Like
njani.
i-video clip leya.
No, not the video. I think there's a video that I posted. Once in the song talk ancient space service. So ngisasebenza nje. I'm cooking. 16 bars.
Awupheke si.
Hey, soon coming up TMP Rocky featuring me. Ngisacabanga stage name. But I'm coming. Oh,
lapho umuntu asengiyele eThawu.
gee.
See, futhi ubuya leJoy.
It's really serious, eh?
Like even
Like for the past few days, dog.
Aku-right.
Yeah.
Ngifike sithole amanzi. Phela iChristmas ageza ngamanzi wona lawo. Kansele ngasithole amanzi. Yabona.
So do you think that now that izuliyana the way lina ngakhona amanzi azoba khona izindlu? Why?
Phela yazi i-Caribbean American. Igcwele ijango ihlabathi. Ihlabathi. Mele bekhiphe inhlabathi qala kube lesiphetho samanye amanzi enje. Nganantelela after ihlabathi. Bese zaba lamanzi phezulu.
Para ephuma kuthiwa amaZimbabwean izambia amazambian bathabile iCaribe is feeling up kanjani
Eyagcwala.
Na yethu Caribe is ekuthika.
Enza
Ekuthika. Like it's over spilling.
wala
Ugcwele.
Ugcwele but phansi kulani nje. Lamanje yobona konke izulu isizende ngaphela. Amagetsi azaba khona for the first 3-4 months. Amanzi efombini yaphuma for the first 3-4 months. Inyaka sesiyaphela kusela amanzi. Ayisagcwalanga futhi uCaribe.
Yani.
Mele ithune lapha nekhiphe inhlabathi.
but the rain is too much.
It's been raining.
But at least move it, my friends are let's say
Eliminate.
I'm remember the party Islam, your Korean stock also. Sure. I give no mercy, say I never give
Yeah. So probably I'm sure like with this rain, it will see that job. Like I'm sure this time like i-GMP izogcwala and all that into ezibhali zenzakala yabo. Angeke bona angeke
Ngishuda mama lokufunayo.
angeke bona angeke
Ngitshela ukuthi mdala.
ya ngidala
Mina izulu siyalibona sibili amanzi akhona but inceda ngani
yeah nje it's not something esingazi excite ngayo because thina sibenefit lokhu uyabenefit abadala belime and all that but uzodiscover ukuthi thina esifuna umsebenzi yabo yabo other news to ishow yethu 12 April. What's the story though?
only you got a show on
12 April though. So what I did though, I wrote a letter to councillor uNdlovu sontsali ngithe emphendule ukuze uspanise venulana nje imgamini wathi yabo then yonke into izoba clear. On the other news cost ulana
Ngila yutho. Kumele lisho yini lana ya
12 April
Izofa.
it's 12 April zalisiwa nje like obvious nje uTMP Rock yabe khona uBig Ross yabe khona Extra Mile Crew yabe khona SF Africa sombiza
it's the first name but ayadlala bakuthi
kuzobe like sifana nje ukuthi lento le ibe big nje sifana ukubiza like kube lama brands nje ka serious
kuba lo anyeni uthole intwana yakho mba ulinye
siyakuna machite no yitsa bukekayo nje izone yithi zizimbuli nje
uyimbulu ngapha ula track and trender
nje ezeno yithi zizimbuli nje but zipline kodwa zizimbuli nje live nje amachite lawana nje utshela yabona lana ngiqambile birthday umchita nje ngamdima kangaka nje ngamsendela i-track ngamsendela i-beat mawuqala I thought maybe PPT lamehlula I went and recorded a verse a hook ngamsendela nje kulo ukuthi umchite
la uzathola something like idea
yeah kulo ukuthi umchite esho ukuthi dog I don't fuck with this and umchita nje wazithulela nje lamanje nje senza bemloko emlandelela nje ngimenzela i-beat.
Akulezinye lezana ezipopular play ezinye sensational. Especially merchandise.
Popular film, I know it.
Especially merchandise la play. Ya process ngasibiza manje. Elizwize
Ya njengoba machita siyazimbulu nje mina life mina like sesi zamukhuphulana samachita nje why kwamele umbuluze nje
mina
Spanish sonke nje why kwamele umbuluze nje engakusendela i-beat nje lihlale la 4 months nje 4 months zonke nje and then I'm thinking of releasing a project cabanga when ucikile i-beat lami like dope into eyenzayo ngichazayo like for real. So, do you know Trepfind?
Yeah. That producer.
Yeah. Trepfind is releasing a house album.
Kalenenza manje. Unakwazi hlabele hip hop. Siko house futhi.
He's a producer.
Producer ama-producer.
So it's some experimental shit. So mchita he hit me up the other day athi ufuna simthumele kuyi-listening session. Yabo. So listening session yakhona I was thinking ukuthi sihlanganisa a couple of people njengokuyivela yokusharp and play i-project yakhe. I think it's 8 tracks or something, party hours. I understand.
Sure.
Take kanje la nje but ithethu.
Okay, so i-listening session leyenzayo sihamba kuvenyana play ama-tracks
Just gather people around.
sesiphosa then sebe-rate ama-tracks ukuthi what's
Okay. Wait. What I'm thinking is we could maybe 2 people. Ne? Mchita maybe locally, and we bring them to the podcast. Then we play the track. Then kube a live reaction.
Okay.
Yeah, you understand? Yeah, so that was what I was thinking, dog. Then guys, if you are project, if you want swag, so far out there, because seriously influence, ngazi lithi.
Noma bengavumi.
Let's like send us a message, dog. You know, WhatsApp and all that. Sikhona thina simbuluzi.
Thina sizombulu thina.
Asizombulu, dog. Anyways, dog. Ukhona inoshadayo.
I think uzoshada naleyo weza iboniwe ngibulala. Abenze kulala ngila laluyiwa.
Kachi abantu bayithatha via analogy leyo ukuthi when it's clouded or it's raining or something kwamele ube lokeli.
Unakwazi ngokuyi-1 ikhethe lesiqande.
You can do your things during ilanga.
Ushisa.
Yabuyijuluka.
Yabuchiki.
So manje it is different.
Unakwazi friction nje yenza yithi.
Also manje.
Friction nje qanda so vele ngenza friction and ayingubo zingachisa kubo.
Ngapha vele singathi iweather yokulala ile. Yabo. When it's cloudy and
Yokulala wethu ayilomuntu.
lala lonke phela.
Lala wethu.
Ngithatha ikapu yakhe ethi ufaka ama-lemon mfana ngizidlalele. Ichaya ama-trick.
Ichama trick. What's your go-to soundtrack when you are with the kid?
Sound I change your trick.
Yeah, trick is games. But yeah, fire you print. Yeah, print fears. Press on till. I found press on till.
Oh, I need that.
Try him out. When I get.
Mina cheki.
Seriously, like usikhosi maphuma kakhulu. I'm saying to kelwa nje uthwele.
Hayi lapha kani yajinja lawo isikhosi maphuma ngiyamlalela amanyiwa yabona asendo game ndoda la yasemele ukuchama track lana lenza libe cause
Ulalelani.
alo track ngamshaya ndo yabo
Lamani.
Labo.
Yayisithi hlabo mfazisi. Wathini bo?
batsini bo
Boleke.
Boleke.
Boleke ikondo.
Yaba lamahleki nje uthando nje yacaba ngathi uthi nxa senzani
lisenza okay, like you call it, let's come for Netflix and chill. My sang lisa relaxile kwaphana some guy mazoyo or something.
Relaxile nje mina ukuthi ngithanda ngathi
Okay, let's do this.
even ulabo
Ngokucabanga. Siqale ngawe nje. Funtshele nje ukuthi wena an average date yakho injani?
Mina one-day dog. Lami ngihamba nje maybe $30 isikhwameni.
Okay.
Ngifike laphana singahambe eMbalimo.
Mbalimo.
Ngicala sithi ama-milkshake.
Sure.
Singathi ama-milkshake sesi-order ukudla. Qeda wena sesitshiya ama-ice cream.
Okay.
Okay. Sitshiya maybe walk.
Walk it town.
Manxa imali isakhona sithi movie. Then umntwana semngihambise endlini. Manxa ehambe endlini.
So i-budget $30.
I-budget is $50
to $50.
okay suka la siyakuwe ka siyakuwe suka nga siyakuwe
No, enter asikaqedi shi.
Nashi.
So with you
thina nje samoma game
it's on.
because umntana ngamlethe endlini yaba li-virgin forever.
Yeah?
Virgin forever.
What do you mean?
Kanjani?
What do you mean?
Izindlu zethu ekhasi la uyasibona zinjani nje.
Awufuni. Wathona ufuni.
Uthona ufuni. Abantwana abamayindi.
Layi.
Oh,
Abamayindi.
Vele ugelo okuthandayo ndodana mayindi ukuthi wena
kanti
uphuma
ubalo nje sehlaba abasithandayo. Sibathandayo thina.
Ono siyabe sithandana phela lapha.
Thina sithandana. Siyafunana uphela.
Okay, so mina my average date job. Muthi mina I'm not antandi ukubonakala out like kubo town the store in out. And so mina ezinjalo nje into eziclean nje umntwana nje engathwali inzima nje. Yabo unwenzani nje.
Mina. Average date yami yabona mina. Thenga amaputi laphana frozen sifaye park yabo. Sichile sibuyele movie for mina. Lethi uya ubo movie sithamba limo la mina ampeji ka.
Wesifuna effort quality ya bichara. Quality ya bichara.
So mina I was scrolling through my phone. Nje yuthi nje angila photo lokili. Wami. Unathuyo.
Eslama mina.
Mina ithatha phela. Ngathatha ngadelete.
Hayi abafethu mina bendlala ayabona ngithatha umfake.
Mina kusela ngelo kufunayo.
Do you understand? Do you understand this?
Understand.
Phela isikhathi ukuthafu she out.
It's not your fault.
It's not your fault.
Na isiyazwisisa abafethu.
She.
Para bendlala. Sokhuluma ngale yamaphiki nje kamamla phiki nokhe.
Hani? Vele izithi must ukuthi kumele sibe lama pictures.
Memories ka, memory. Yabona. Even la nxa ngayala nepunkish.
Nje amantombazana lezizeza yaselanda ba memories nje.
Yenifunani?
She they are just after that beat.
Vele ngama one night stand amajisa.
Ama one night stand nje. Because you see ukuthi intombazana mayina 15 lapha yikho lapha eqala khona yabo. Like back then bokuqala 18 years into zomjulo lezi. Manje 15 intombazana ziphakathi. Ama 2K and so on.
Amba umakhokho phela sithola umntwana olethethleni ukuse-touch line
Yabona nje.
ngemali.
So manje it's tough emjolweni nje.
We need to say uyabonana ama-girl child manje kusekumele libananzelile labantu.
Parma ecavana. Umntwana oyinkazana kumele angimvalele kakhulu endlini. Because once ethola i-chance yokuthi ephume, uyahlala.
Yashaba la life skills just wathola njengama-jito distil imali.
Yabona.
Unlotsheni endlini iplan yokudinga imali etholanga.
Yeah, angithi okay, the women was designed really like i-culture yakhona is ukuthi a man is the provider.
Bese hlankombuze ipost. Tsabe nguseshadaya.
Seshadaya.
Twitter so.
Yeah.
Post the problem with men and you take women so you treat women too emotional and it's what God made for pleasure.
For pleasure, baba.
Take too serious what God made for pleasure.
So right now, like we're in an era whereby that thing ukuthi men is a provider. Like some women are trying we create but not most of them. Like this world is not really designed for what could be 50-50. And what really men should always be
but even la member yabona ungaba nogeli angisho ukuthi nxathwa men sesithi laba abashadile asibhayekeni beshashade yabo thina yabona ngaba logeli okwenzela izinto lawe yabafosi uthayo lemiduze siyena wayenza so namana so lapha eventually thina siba 50 manje baskasa manje
nah bekugela aba independent elokushini
Okwelotsheni sikathi story ngekele mali
yabo sifunelo lemali
yabo
i-shortcut ayithanda.
Shortcut to lifestyle blind
yeah so how many minutes any last comment
bafethu ngendlala
Akusela mfana ugraph seliyehlile mina.
Yeah, bafethu True African Podcast, we are here. Oh.
My moves are the low, my moves are the tight. My moves are got Tanya, my moves are good to fight. My moves are got netto, my moves are good to pleasure. My moves are good to net up by the window better. My moves are the low, my moves are the tight. My moves are got Tanya.